This kit consists of 3 pieces that you see here. This piece here goes front to back, and it's important to put this radius in the back. These pieces here go side to side, and it's important to put the short side to the driver's side. So interlock these pieces together. Very simple. Bottom them out. Do the same thing with the other one. Bottom them out. Now it's ready to go into the console. So just pick it up and take it over to the car, drop it in the console, push it down. It's a nice tight fit. Tight side to side, tight front to back. This generation of 4Runners has several different configurations in this pocket here, but the pocket is big enough to work with all those and still give you access to your charge ports.